Do you have a working knowledge of something as basic as clicking a mouse button? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to earn not just $100 per day, but much more than that. I will teach you how to earn over $500 every day just by putting links on the internet, which will cost you nothing except your time. And the most remarkable thing about this strategy is that you don't need to spend any money at all. It's entirely free of charge. There is no need for prior knowledge of this procedure, and it is fully beginner-friendly. And I'm going to teach you step by step how to accomplish it with zero technical knowledge. And the most incredible thing, which I am sure you will appreciate, is that you can do it from any location on the planet. It makes no difference in which country you are. In addition, and the most crucial, you can do this from any device, whether your laptop or your smartphone. You can do this from your smartphone. There are no limitations. If you don't have access to a computer, you may earn money using this way by using your smartphone. It is possible to achieve success, and I'll teach you exactly how to go about it. I'm doing this video because lots of people ask me every day how they may earn money online from anywhere in the world. So here you will find the answer in today's video. More importantly, make sure you watch this video to the end, because I have a secret little trick that will show you how to earn even more money using this method. To see how to generate money online, please follow all steps in this video that I will tell you today, and follow along with me as I walk through the process step by step. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Many individuals are under the impression that they can't make money online. They are under the wrong impression. Many people in the world are making huge fortunes online. Using this method, we will discuss it today. You can make lots of legitimate money every day. As a result, it is feasible for men to do a job online from the comfort of their own homes using a computer or smartphone. And that's what I'm going to demonstrate to you in this video. I'm going to explain a fast and straightforward method for doing it. As a result, you will begin earning money immediately. So let's get started. In the first stage of the process, you have to visit a website called thefreeadforum.com, which stands for Free Advertisement Forum. It is an online marketing discussion forum. So you want to go ahead and paste this URL, thefreeadforum.com, into your browser, and it will take you to the website. Here, you will click on Create a Free Account, which will bring you to the next page, where all you have to do is register, sign up, and fill out your information. And after you've completed that step, you'll be ready to begin the procedure. After you've signed up for the account, you'll get an email which you'll need to respond to activate it. Then, you will return to the website after you have started it. It will also indicate that you have successfully logged in. So you will see your name on it. This website gets thousands of visitors every day. So make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll be showing you other websites where you can do this. But what you can do, gentlemen, take advantage of this website's hundreds and thousands of visitors. Furthermore, you cannot display advertisements on this website for free. You can actively market a product to get compensated for your efforts. To discover a product that you can advertise, you would have to join an affiliate marketing network or any other network that offers this service. This is something that individuals are already doing if you check under the business opportunities and work from the home area of the website. For example, so if you browse down to the free section, you'll see that in this highlighted area, you'll see that individuals are publishing on a daily basis. And if they weren't generating money or receiving traffic, they wouldn't be posting in the first place. As a result, I'm going to demonstrate precisely how you may do this. Once you have completed the registration process on this website, the following step is straightforward. A website known as Clickbank.com is where you will go now, as well as going out and purchasing some merchandise. The only thing you need to do is go to Clickbank.com. Then sign up for an account here if you don't already have one. If you want some Clickbank alternatives, which is a common question being constantly asked, then search for Clickbank alternatives on Google. And there will be plenty of other options that appear that you may use if you don't want to utilize Clickbank. The website doesn't matter in this case. All you need to do is find products from which you may earn a commission. When you register with Clickbank and navigate to the marketplace after your registration, you'll be sent to another page. Here, you'll click on e-business, e-marketing, and e-communications. Okay guys, after you click on Promote Company and e-marketing link, you'll be sent to another website. Your objective is to start with an ordinary sale and gradually move your way up to the top of the list. We're only interested in things from which we may earn a substantial amount of money as a commission. And then we're going to scroll down so you can see that when you earn $500 each sale, we make $933 on average per sale. And when we make $1,000 per sale, we make $1,050 on average per sale. Yes, this is true, gentlemen. This is affiliate marketing. As a result, you just grab someone else's product and use it for advertising. And if someone makes a purchase after clicking on this link, you will get a commission. And there are products on which the average commission is $933 per transaction. All you need is one sale, gentlemen, to earn $933 in commission. When you click Promote, you will be sent to a different sign-up page. So you just go to their website and look for information on how to become an affiliate under their banner advertising program. Simply scroll down to the bottom where you will see your shoutout links, and then they will provide you with some more connections. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care. And while you're here, click to watch one of these two videos appearing on your screen right now. I will see you there.